Today I'm going to show you this online way to earn you over $1,000 while you sleep. Earns $500 per day in PayPal. Of course, all you need is yourself. Before you forget, what you're about to show is available anywhere in the world. As you watch today's video, let's conclude with some tips and tricks on how to make money using this method. Please wait for a while as we will show you how to use these methods to maximize your chances of making a lot of cash. Watch this video to the end. Also, do not skip some. If you skip, you may miss very important information that is very important to complete the new online way to make money that we will show you today. Do you already have a PayPal account? If not, this is the platform for receiving payments and should be obtained immediately. If you are new to the process, please visit paypal.com first and click the sign in button at the top right of the home page. Once that's done, you can get paid. Then you will be redirected to this web page. Now you need to click on your personal account to use PayPal for personal use. Then you will need to enter relevant information about yourself, such as your mobile number, email address, name and password. Your PayPal account is now ready. As I said before, this is where you will be paid. So let's start with the first website without any further hassle. The first website I want to tell you is called spyfu.com. This website helps others with your website or Google Ads to get more traffic. It also reveals competitor search engine marketing formulas in all advertising tests performed over the last 15 years. In short, this tool spies on the success stories of others and engages them in the success of their clients. So the name SpyFu is a bit strange. I want to help you make more and more money online, so make sure you are with me. You don't have to worry about payments as one penny never leaves your pocket, so there is nothing at all. First, scroll down their site and click on the affiliate section under the convenient links category. This site is one of the many great ways to become an affiliate. This is because regular commissions are paid at an incredible 40% for the rest of your life. This means that if you introduce this site to someone and that person pays for and uses the site, you will receive 40% of the amount you paid. Well, if you're new to this and have little experience, this video will show you how to do it so you don't have to worry about increased traffic. Scroll down page to see additional information about affiliate programs, so feel free to navigate the entire site and learn everything you need to know. As you can see, we have a 365-day tracking cookie. This means that if someone clicks on the affiliate link for 365 days, the payment will be made, as easy as 123. Most of you use PayPal and prefer to be paid through PayPal, so you will be paid twice a month as given below. It is very important to receive money through PayPal as you can make money passively on this platform. You can also see here that the platform has a churn or turnover rate of 4. This shows that regular commissions are still valid. This also shows that the people you introduced will continue to use this platform. I think this is the best feature of the site. Now, scroll up and click the button to start earning every month to get your affiliate link. Not long ago, I told you how to get traffic to get people to visit this website with your own affiliate links so that you can start making money. Let's take a look at 3 different options currently available on the platform. They have a basic career and team plan, as well as annual and monthly payments. Before digging deeper, subscribe to the channel and give yourself time to appreciate the video if you've ever enjoyed it. And if you find this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Here you need to know a little about why professional plans are the most popular. This is to provide the right amount with the perfect benefits to match the plan in question. Here, there are 10 employees, each choosing professional pricing for the year. The website costs about $5,000 to $7,000 and charges 40% of the amount received, so $4,500. Imagine making $1. Isn't that great? To find out how much money you can make using this strategy, you need to persuade people all over the world to visit your website and eventually buy SpyFu's services. going back to the video, there's a bit of background about SpyFu, so I know how to use this method to buy a subscription plan from affiliate links and make money for as many people as possible in return. Well, this part can be a little tricky, but I'm with you at every stage, so there's no reason to give you this great opportunity. Anyway, let's get down to the hard part: generate traffic. Go to google.com and enter your weight loss in the search bar. Go to a page that displays various articles related to weight loss. Next, you need to find an article about weight loss that fills the screen with ads. This is to turn these advertisers into customers. As a guide, look for the item on the second or third page. Therefore, we are an example of an advertising company and would recommend them in the secret way we have. That is, they have a reasonable budget, so if you use a tool that will further teach them to give them the secrets of our can market, you will earn 40% of your successful subscription plans as a commission income. You can receive it as. For example, take a look at this website you want to connect to. You can use the information you received by email, or you can use your contact information if you have a phone number. Please contact them and don't forget the information. List all the features accessible with our secret tools and specifically explain why they need to subscribe to one of the plans. You can also let them know which plan is ideal for them. If you think you're done, that's not the only way to show you in this video, so think again. The more customers you can invite, the more money will be credited to your account. This is not the only way to show you in this video. The second website you want to visit is infinitesuggest.com. This website is an alternative strategy for creating and generating online traffic. These are definitely useful tools as they provide recommendations for a wide range of keywords, including, so you can advertise our secret tool plans to these advertisers. You can repeat the process in this prestigious way of making money, so you can easily find more customers without running out of customers. In short, the secret website for today's secret tools is spyfu.com. Start using spyfu.com as soon as possible so that you can start your money-making journey right away. Open the computer or your device and follow the instructions I have provided. If you continue to use this strategy, your profit potential will skyrocket, and cake icing can, of course, do everything for free, without hassle. And that's it. If you like this kind of content, check out the other videos. If you like it, press the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment below. See you in the next video.